Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable video stabilization on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode, like with the not front camera, rear camera video mode. And here in this upper panel you can find this button which calls video anti-shake, but it's actually just like video stabilization. So you can switch it just by tapping on this icon, and yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.